Okay, another day, another snowstorm. Boy, is it coming down. Now let's see, the squirrels out there trying to get something to eat, it looks like. I'll try zooming on them. Okay, focus. There we go. Yeah, the animals are eating pretty good. They know we're going to get clobbered, so they're trying to fill their bellies while they can. Look at the size of those snowflakes. Keweenaw is supposed to get maybe 18 plus inches with wind drifting. I think we're supposed to get about 8 inches. But I just blew snow the other day and it was about 6 or 8 inches. So it's like every couple days we get bombarded with all this winter crap. And I got a head cold and I don't feel much like doing a whole heck of a lot there. So, okay. Catch you later.